Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Do you like Thanksgiving, Jacob?
Yeah.
Thanksgiving is one of your favorite holidays because he likes to eat a lot. So we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite Thanksgiving sides, which is
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts that is roasted and topped with bacon and garlic. So if you're interested in seeing how we do this, keep on watching.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Cut off the ends of the Brussels sprouts and discard. You can either cut your Brussels sprouts in halves or you can cut them into quarters. Because my Brussels sprouts were a bit large, I decided to cut them into quarters. Chop up your garlic as shown. Don't finely mince your garlic because we don't want the garlic to burn in the oven. Place the Brussels sprouts on a baking sheet and add the garlic, pepper, and salt. Next, we want to pour olive oil over the Brussels sprouts, and we are going to coat the Brussels sprouts evenly with our hands. Once the sprouts are coated with the oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, go ahead and spread the Brussels sprouts on the baking sheet. Once your oven has been preheated, take your baking sheet and place it in the center of your oven rack. We are going to roast our Brussels sprouts for 30 to 45 minutes, shaking it every 10 minutes or so for even browning. While your Brussels sprouts are roasting in the oven, this is the time I like to use to crisp up the bacon. I cut my bacon in pieces as shown, and I cooked it until it was nice and crispy. Discard the oil when you're done cooking your bacon. Once your Brussels sprouts comes out of the oven, it should have a nice dark brown color. Add cheese and bacon to your sprouts, and if needed, salt and pepper. And that's how simple it is to make my Thanksgiving side. Enjoy!
Now it's time to taste this. I assume you don't want to taste this, right?
Yeah.
Not a Brussels sprouts person?
Yeah.
I am.
Both.
I need one more. It's so good. I love it. I love how caramelized the Brussels sprouts are. I love the way that the saltiness came from the bacon and the Parmesan cheese. And how there are some leaves that are roasted, so it's crunchy. Perfect side dish for Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're following me, please hashtag Ivy's Kitchen if you do recreate one of my recipes. And if you're not following me, please find me on Instagram under Ivy's Food. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving. Bye!
Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!